Hello, my name is John. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first bot. In order to create a new bot, you have to click on the left menu pane option Bots. Click the plus sign button to create a new one. From the initial step, click on Next to add a new message step, and then click on Options to see step properties. Name step as Say Hello, and enter bot response message. Hello, I'm bot. It's nice to meet you. To make this a little bit more interesting, add an echo functionality making use of variable msg.body, in which is stored the message sent by the user. Finally, set conversation state to initial and click OK. It's time to save the bot. Click on Unnamed, provide a bot name, select a customer from the list, and enter a brief description. Set bot status to production to test functionality, and click on the Save button. The bot has been successfully saved. Click on Test button and send a test message. You will see bot answering with a greeting and echoing your very same message. Now let's improve bot salutation, including the user's name, by using the variable msg.profile. You can also include quick replies to make it easier for the user to answer back to the bot. Save changes and test again. You'll see the username and bot greeting and the quick reply buttons. Let's build something a little bit more complex. Change bot status to design mode and click Save to enter into editing mode. Click on the New State button and name it as Mood. Click on Next button to create a new condition step. Name it as is fine. In condition, specify that user's response is equals to fine. In case the condition is true, click on the Yes button and create another message step. Enter message response, name it, and set conversation state to initial. Click on No to create another condition step for the case the user answers is bad. Create a new message step for the bad mood similar to the previous one. Finally, create a default message for the case in which the user answers with a different message. Don't forget to change the Say Hello message step to set conversation state to mood. Put bot back to production status and test it again. After bot salutation, click on any quick reply button. Bot will answer depending on your chosen mood. This is only the beginning of what you can do. Let's try something more sophisticated. In design mode, remove the connector between these two steps and make room to insert a new step. Click on Next to create an expression step. This expression is for calculating a more formal greeting depending on the time of the day. The result of the calculation will be stored in a conversation variable called greeting. In order to make the calculation, there's plenty of functions you can find in this helping menu. For numeric, text, date, logic, and constants. For our calculation, use the conditional function if. This requires 3 parameters. The first one is the condition. You can build it using the functions hour and now to get the hour part of the day and compare it with 12. The second parameter, in this case, will be morning. In the third parameter you can nest another if function using the same functions for the condition, but in this case, comparing it with 18. Use afternoon and evening for the remaining parameters. To connect this step with an existing one, click on the next button and drag and drop over the destination step. Change message text including the greeting variable chat.greeting. Save changes and test again. Thanks for watching.